Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about, the Apple 2023 iMac all-in-one desktop computer with the powerful M3 chip. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features and specifications of this stunning machine. So, let's get started. First and foremost, let's talk about the performance. The Apple 2023 iMac is supercharged by the M3 chip, boasting an 8-core CPU and a 10-core GPU. This means lightning-fast performance for everything from productivity tasks to gaming. One of the standout features of this iMac is its sleek all-in-one design. It's incredibly thin and available in 7 vibrant colors, making it a perfect fit for any room, adding a touch of elegance to your workspace. The 24-inch 4.5K Retina display is absolutely stunning. With 500 nits of brightness and support for 1 billion colors, your visual experience will be immersive and vivid. It's perfect for tasks like streaming movies and editing photos. Apple hasn't skimped on the camera and audio quality either. This iMac features a 1080p FaceTime HD camera, a studio-quality 3-mic array, and a 6-speaker sound system with spatial audio. You'll look and sound your best during video calls or content creation. What's great about this iMac is that it works seamlessly with all your favorite apps, including Microsoft 365, Adobe Creative Cloud, and Zoom. You can even run many of your favorite iPhone and iPad apps directly on your iMac, thanks to the App Store integration. If you're already in the Apple ecosystem, this iMac is a dream. You can do amazing things when you use your Apple devices together. Copy something on your iPhone and paste it on your iMac, answer FaceTime calls, or send text with messages. The possibilities are endless. Another bonus is that the iMac comes with color-matched Magic Keyboard with Touch ID and a Magic Mouse. Touch ID provides a fast, easy, and secure way to unlock your iMac and sign in to apps and websites. The Apple 2023 iMac comes in various specifications, including different storage options and GPU configurations. Make sure to choose the one that suits your needs the best. In conclusion, the Apple 2023 iMac with the M3 chip is a powerhouse of a computer, offering top-tier performance, a stunning display, and seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem. If you're looking for a stylish and capable all-in-one desktop, this could be the perfect choice for you. That wraps up our review of the Apple 2023 iMac. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll do my best to respond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.